If your tomato plant looks like this, packed with green fruit, there's a 2-ingredient mix you need right now, or half of them will never turn red. Once your plant sets this much fruit, it's under massive stress. It's pulling everything it has: water, calcium, magnesium into those tomatoes. And that's exactly when problems start: yellowing lower leaves, weak stems, fruit that stalls out green and never ripens. Most gardeners blame the weather, but it's usually the plant running out of fuel at the worst possible time. Heavy fruit set drains magnesium fast, and magnesium is what keeps the leaves photosynthesizing, which is literally what powers the ripening process. No magnesium, no energy, no red tomatoes. At the same time, the leaf surface is more exposed to fungal spores because the plant's energy is going to fruit, not defense. Here's the fix. 2 things you already have: milk and Epsom salt. Milk diluted properly has natural compounds that help suppress fungal spread on the leaf surface. Epsom salt is pure magnesium sulfate, and it's exactly what a fruit-loaded plant is starving for. This isn't a replacement for real fertilizing. Think of it as emergency backup for a plant working overtime. Mix 100 ml of milk with 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt. Stir until it's fully dissolved, no clumps. Then, dilute at 110 this mix into 1 liter of clean water. Diluting matters. Too strong, and you risk leaf burn instead of leaf help. Set your nozzle to fine mist. You want a light, even coating, not dripping wet leaves. 100 to 150 ml per plant is enough. Spray the tops, but especially the undersides. That's where fungal spores and pests hide. Around the fruit clusters, keep it light. You're not trying to drench the tomatoes, just a gentle pass. Now let's help from underground too. Clear the weeds, loosen the topsoil, and dig a small trench about 4 to 6 inches from the base. That's where the active feeder roots are working hardest right now. Water it first with plain water. This keeps the soil from pulling moisture away from the treatment and helps everything absorb evenly. Then, pour the rest of your solution into the trench. This gives the roots direct access to the magnesium right when the plant needs it most during heavy fruit fill. This isn't a miracle cure, it's backup support for a plant that's working overtime to feed all that fruit. Pair it with your regular fertilizing, and you'll see fewer stalled tomatoes and less yellowing. If your plant is loaded with green tomatoes right now, comment magnesium and I'll send you the exact feeding schedule I use. Follow for more real fixes. See you in the next one.